Like, look how disrespectful that guy is. Yo, liquid diet. You got any of those sandwich skinny bin bacons?
Real talk. I've got the perfect club sandwich that will hit the spot after robbing a Texaco station.
What? Okay.
I'm your host, Liquid Diet. This is Chef Tango, and we're here to create awesome, phenomenal recipes.
Oh, look at this sandwich, man. You gotta see this.
But before we make Richard's club sandwich, we need to fry up some bacon.
He's trying to say my name's Richard, which it isn't.
The bacon's done. I've got 3 pieces of toast ready. What's next, pimp?
It's tomatoes. It's a sweet corn.
I'm not so sure about the sweet corn, Richard, but we definitely need to cut up some tomatoes. And to me, it's important to have your tomatoes seasoned right, so I add a little bit of salt and pepper.
Real talk.
And now that we got everything ready, let's build our sandwich.
Yeah, like my entire day is developed by food.
Real talk. We begin by taking 1 piece of toast, and then we make the white stuff come out in the form of Miracle Whip to help Richard beat the snipers.
I can't beat these snipers, man.
Real talk. We're going to add a couple slices of honey ham, along with 2 slices of smoked turkey, and of course you've got to have some cheddar cheese. Hey Richard, what else should we add?
Bojangles, Chick-fil-A, not Chick-fil-A biscuits, Cajun filet biscuits.
Or we could go with another piece of toast, more white stuff, some crispy bacon, and of course some lettuce. But those Cajun biscuits do sound pretty good, pimp.
My lord, I need help back here.
While you rob us a few drinks from the Texaco, I'm gonna put our seasoned right tomatoes on our sandwich, along with our final piece of toast and some white stuff.
Yeah, I haven't robbed any store. If I robbed a store, why would I be streaming right now?
It's a question.
And just like that, you've got the perfect lunch for that hard day of selling vacuum parts and drinking Pepsi.
I'm gonna sandwich don't look good as shit.
Here's a close-up so you can get a better look at it. Real talk, before we eat, we do have a couple things left to do.
Ban world, population.
Sheriff's office down! Get down! No!
While Lord gets sent to Ban World, I would like to thank my generous patrons. And I would also like to thank everybody for holding it down on Streamlabs. And I would also like to thank you all for the super chats and channel memberships. And finally, I would like to thank viewers like you. And the only thing missing from this sandwich is a little bit of Yoo Hoo. And now that we got some Yoo Hoo, it's time to try the club sandwich.
Look, I can eat everything from Liquid Diet, except the fish sandwich.
Oh, thank you. That made me happy. And this has been your host, Liquid Diet and Chef Tango. If you like what you saw today, please consider subscribing. And if you'd like to, go ahead and check out that video on the left. I think you'll really like it. That's the end of the recipe today. I'm Audi 5000. Bye, sweethearts.